The clearTagsButtonListener was registered back in onCreate to respond when the user touches the button at the bottom of the user interface. Now, we don't want to simply delete everything just because the user touched that button. They might have touched it accidentally. So in the clearTagsButtonListener's onClick method, we're going to build an alert dialog to help the user confirm that they really want to delete the contents of the shared preferences file. So again, we create a builder object of type alertDialog.builder, and again, the dialog will be displayed on the favorite Twitter searches activity. At line 182, we set the title of that to the confirm title string resource, and again, you can look in strings.xml to see the actual text. And here at line 185 through 201, we call the builder's setPositiveButton method. The first argument is the string resource representing the text on the button. The second argument is this anonymous inner class object that we're creating that is going to respond to that button's click event. And you can see here in the onClick event for the positive button that we have a call to clear buttons. So if they touch the erase button inside of this dialog, we're going to call our clear buttons method, which is back up here. We skipped it in the initial video presentation. Here you can see clear buttons is simply going to go to the query table layout and remove all of the views. So in the query table layout, which is our scrollable table layout in the middle of the app, we want to get rid of all the buttons if the user really says to clear all the searches. So going back down here now, we'll clear the buttons first, then we'll get a shared preferences editor object to allow us to modify the contents of the shared preferences file. We will clear the shared preferences and we will apply the change, which now erases the contents of that file on the device. So this is only in the case that the user touches the positive button saying, yes, I really do want to erase the contents of the shared preferences. Now we also set this builder object's cancelable property to true, and what this means is that the dialog is cancelable, meaning the user could simply hit the back button on the device, to dismiss the dialog. At line 204, we also create a negative button for this dialog. It's going to display the string resource cancel, and if the user decides, I don't want to delete the contents of the shared preferences, they touch the cancel button, and we don't need to do anything in that case, so we did not provide an event handler here. What will happen is the dialog will simply be dismissed. The contents of the dialog are set with setMessage, and we're going to use our string resource confirm message. We will then create the dialog and show it, and now the user must interact with that dialog or hit the back button to go back to working with the app.